Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are good. I am Faizan Ahmad and today I will discuss a very important mathematics topic from class 10th NCERT book. The topic is solution of a quadratic equation by factorization. How can we find the solution of a quadratic equation by factorization? Just see here, consider the quadratic equation. This is your given quadratic equation 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. If we replace x by 1, if we replace x by 1 on the LHS of this equation and we get this is equal to how much 0 and this is equal to your RHS of the equation, we say that 1 is a root of the quadratic equation. What we can say that if we put the value of x and we find LHS, left hand side is equal to right hand side, then that value of x is the root of the quadratic equation. When it will satisfy the equation, it means, what is the meaning of satisfy? It means left hand side is equal to right hand side of the quadratic equation. This also means that 1 is a 0. You can say root or you can say 0 in the case of polynomial, of the quadratic polynomial. If we are discussing about the quadratic equation, then that value is said to be what? Root. And if we are discussing about the quadratic polynomial, then this value is said to be what? 0. Okay, it is clear, student? In general, see here, in general, a real number alpha is called a root of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. If alpha x square, if a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0, we also say that x is equal to alpha is a solution of the quadratic equation. It means, what you want to say that here, if we put x is equal to alpha in the given equation and this alpha is satisfying the, is if this value of x yani alpha is satisfying the given quadratic equation, it means alpha is the root of the given quadratic equation, and in the form of polynomial we can say alpha is the 0 of the given quadratic polynomial. I hope you understand the solution, and we just see one example on this topic. Okay, now this is your given example. What is this? Find the roots of the equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0 by factorization. What he is saying here, he is saying just find the roots of the given quadratic equation by factorization method. Okay, what we will do here, just see factorization. Okay, we will find the factorization first of all the given equation by the help of splitting the middle term. I hope you know about and you listen about the splitting the middle term. If you don't know, we will explain here later. Okay, factorize the given equation by splitting the middle term. This is your given equation. This is equation number 1. Okay, comparing above equation by standard quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and a is not equal to 0 and a, b, c are the constant. What we get after comparison? We get a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to 3. Okay, student, and how this splitting the middle term is working, just see here. To factorize ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 by splitting the middle term, we can write b as the sum of two numbers. Just see here, what is the b? B is the sum of two numbers and AC is the product of two numbers. Okay, what we will do in splitting the middle term, we will consider B as the sum of two numbers and AC in the product of two numbers. Okay, and just you find the value of AC from the given equation. This is your given equation. What is your given equation? 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to 3. AC is coming how much? AC is coming how much? 6. And sum is equal to how much? B is equal to how much? Minus 5. We will just find a combination of two numbers. We will just find the combination of two numbers. Which product is coming 6 and sum is coming how much? Minus 5. Sum is coming minus 5 and product is coming 6. In the splitting the middle term, what we will do? We will check the combination of two numbers. Which product is coming? Product is coming 6 and sum is equal to how much? Minus 5. If the product is 6, it means these two numbers. What you think about these two numbers? These two numbers must be negative numbers or must be positive numbers. Then the product is coming how? What? Positive, because here product is positive 6. And if here two conditions are rising, either both numbers will be negative or both numbers will be positive. Okay, in both cases AC is coming positive. But just come on the second case, sum is equal to minus 5. You can see here, if both numbers are the positive, then it is possible the sum is coming minus 5. No, it is impossible. Then what we can say that these two numbers must be negative numbers. Now we check the combination of 6 and we factorize 6 and we find the combination. How many ways we can find the 6? Just see here, we can write 6 as minus 1 multiplied by minus 6, minus 2 multiplied by minus 6. Just see here, minus 1 and minus 6, if we are adding, it is coming minus 7. It is not satisfying this condition. Then what we check with second, minus 2 and minus 3. This is coming minus 5 and product is coming plus 6. It means this is your appropriate solution. Okay, the splitting of middle term, you can split minus 5x as minus 2x minus 3x. Okay, just write here on the place of minus 5x, you can write here minus 2x minus 3x and just factorize of this equation. And we find here, what we are finding here, first value of x is coming 3 by 2 and second value of x is coming 1. Okay, so x is equal to 3 by 2 and x is equal to 1 are the solutions of the given quadratic equations. In other words, 1 and 3 by 2 are the roots of the equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3. I hope you understand this solution. And just we check these solutions are satisfying these equations or not. We want to be sure to just check the value of x, put this value of x in the given polynomial and we find this LHS is coming, is LHS is equal to RHS or not. If we are putting the value of x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3 by 2 and the value of RHS is equal to value of LHS, it means your solution is correct. You can also check your answer is correct or not by putting the value of x in the above equation. This is coming LHS is equal to RHS or not. If LHS is equal to RHS, it means your solution is correct. Just see how we satisfy this by putting the value of x. Okay, student, here it is saying we can verify the roots by checking that 1 and 3 by 2 satisfy the given equation. What we find? Two roots. We find how many roots? Two roots. One is the first one is the 1 and second one is the 3 by 2. We will check by putting, first we will putting x is equal to 1 and then we will put x is equal to 3 by 2 and we check in this given equation LHS is equal to RHS or not. Put x is equal to 1 in the LHS of the given equation. LHS 2x square 2 multiplied by 1 square minus 5 multiplied by 1 plus 3. How much? It is coming 0 and this is coming what? RHS. It means this is satisfying the given equation. It means your solution is correct. Similarly, you can see here x is equal to 3 by 2. You put in the LHS. When you put in the LHS, what you find here? Lastly, it is coming 0. It means this is equal to RHS. It means x is equal to 3 by 2 is also the correct solution of your given equation. I hope you understand this solution. Thanks a lot.